Welcome to the DNA Software-Defined Wide Area Network SD-WAN Stage 1 Story, Strategy, and Vision module. Customers moving from traditional networking to intent-based networking are on a journey. Cisco is on a journey as well. After over 30 years of device-by-device manual configuration and operations, the network is undergoing an evolution. In this module, we'll cover why the evolution is taking place, the impact and pressure of going digital has on the network, and how Cisco continues to evolve to meet the demands of the current and future technology landscapes. The world is under constant change, and nowhere is that more evident than in the realm of IT. There are multiple pressures on the network today. New paradigms are born, and others are going away. New advances in machine learning, AI systems, virtualization, cloud computing and services, IoT, and the desirable benefits of automation all exert pressures in planning, adoption, deployment, and operations. Some changes are meant to address faster innovation or the ability to adopt useful technologies in a simplified way, requiring the need for more intelligence and leveraging the data from our connected environments in new, more powerful ways than in the past. Other advances address the need to reduce costs and complexity. Automation and the ability to create and maintain policy across the network are seen as key attributes needed to achieve these goals. How do we accomplish all these changes in a way that doesn't increase cost and complexity or increase our risk? Lowering risk through greater control, added visibility, and increased understanding of the applications, users, and things to ensure compliance with internal and external mandates are important platform considerations and top of mind. Where yesterday the primary goal was getting connected, today the connectivity issue has largely been addressed. Because businesses run on their applications, IT must provide an agile platform for innovation and agility that supports and enhances security. We are no longer dealing with human scale. We now have to consider IoT scale, which means considering people, devices, and things such as wearable technology. Customers are looking at ways to go beyond virtualization of network appliances. The new network has to virtualize functions. Automation, orchestration, zero-touch provisioning, and DevOps are now a necessity to deliver fast IT. A significant portion of the applications, once housed internally, are moving to private and public clouds. Customers are taking advantage of hybrid models to reduce cost and complexity, focusing their time and efforts on faster innovation. The priorities communicated by Cisco's executive leadership team clearly highlight the need to provide our customers with a secure and intelligent platform. We are leading our customers through the digital journey and are highly focused on developing hardware and software for the digital network. Let's quickly revisit these priorities. Reinventing networking, enabling a multi-cloud world, unlocking the power of data, enriching employee and customer experiences, and most important of all is a focus on deploying security everywhere. Customers are evaluating their 5-phase plan for digital readiness. Cisco is doing the same. We are on the journey together. Customers are interested in moving from best effort to automated networks and are focused on the most common attributes including automation, security, service assurance, and analytics. Today, customers are somewhere between manual and semi-automated. The innovations coming from Cisco are focused on closing the gap between semi-automated and self-driving capabilities, accelerating development of automated capabilities to address fully dynamic service alignment, end-to-end cross-domain automation, and fully integrated IT and business analytics. We are excited about the ability within the next 3 to 5 years to deliver on self-driving capabilities while we execute on our digital network architecture framework. To get faster, Customers need to simplify all the operations and configuration that have traditionally gone into networking. Software-defined networking, or SDN, and controller capabilities are quickly becoming key areas of interest as they promise to evolve to a point where they can address requirements for fast IT. Think of the network like you would a car and look through history. In the past, putting together all of the pieces required human intervention. We'd give people a bunch of routers, switches, and other infrastructure components, such as line cards, and they would have to build their own infrastructure and configurations. As we look at where we are and what the future holds, what customers expect and will need are solutions that they can simply get in and drive. They need solutions that let them go wherever they want to and that address their needs right away. Traditional network paradigms are unable to sufficiently address the dynamic management and policy changes. Our early attempts and focus has been on day zero, day one automation and CLI scripting. Automation in this manner was never designed to address high-volume changes in real time. Intent-based networking addresses the requirement of needing to support dynamic policy changes and allow the network to be managed as a system. This abstracted, intent-based model allows customers to reduce OpEx while unlocking agility and empower IT to be faster and more nimble. As an industry, there are many books, guides, CVDs, classes, and white papers published on how to get things right. Even then, problems crop up. Where we see one of the biggest challenges is in the manual nature of building networks. Our first steps into automation, using scripts and simple automation tools like scripting languages, still rely heavily on the command line interface and are highly localized. Manual reconfiguration and changes to the network still account for 95% of our operational experiences. The chance of error is very high. The result: 70% of policy violations, such as unintended access, misconfiguration, denied services, are a direct result of the manual nature of operations. Why do we need the network of the future to address this? 75% of our operational expenses are directly related to monitoring and troubleshooting traditional networks, as we cross our fingers that we've gotten everything right. To reduce OpEx and shift attention on helping the business to innovate faster, we cannot afford to look at things on a device-by-device basis or troubleshoot things via siloed management offerings that result in inadvertently injecting errors and problems. The digital network architecture vision focuses on innovations that transform customer networks from manual, device-level operational environments to one that is intent-based and automated. The goal is to help customers innovate faster, reduce cost and complexity, and lower risk. The transformation to an intent-based network is a journey, one that is shared between customers and Cisco. Articulating this vision and Cisco's strategy to get there is something everyone should understand. From design and deployment to operations and optimization, the intent-based network has real-world impact on customer success. Please continue your learning journey with the next Stage 1 SD-WAN trends, challenges, benefits, and capabilities. Thank you for watching.